Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language within the KuCoin crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device. And if you haven't already logged into your account, proceed forward with your credentials or your passkey. Once you are logged in, if you wish to change the language, then just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will then open up the menu page. From here, click on Settings. And now within the settings page, you will see the language option at the very beginning. Just tap on this option and you will now see the various different languages that are available. Just click on whichever language you prefer and this will now restart the application and your chosen language will now be applied. You can now start using the KuCoin application with your chosen language. If you wish to change this back in the future at any time, you can go back to your profile icon at the top left, then tap on the settings button, which is the last option if you don't scroll at all, and then choose the language from the very first menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the KuCoin crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.